XSTO. New generation powered wheelchair. M4 Enhanced L Series. Modular body 3-step to assemble. 1 touch to unfold. It supports multi-dimensional free adjustment. Customize your ideal seating comfort freely. Activate your pleasant journeys. It is more than a tool for traveling, it is also your companion in work and life. The adaptive leg rests can automatically adjust with seat movement to ensure your legs' comfort. The handle can be adjusted to multi-angle. Easy low table access. The foldable armrests design makes you easy to get into and out of the wheelchair. It can execute the real-time slope detection and achieve automatic balance of the seat posture. Maneuvers smoothly around narrow platforms. Steady and comfort are guaranteed throughout the whole process. One touch for seat elevation and descension. Flexibly adapt to different table heights. And various roads both indoors and outdoors. Effortlessly navigates bumpy terrain. Stress-free for daily short journey. It can safely overcome various complex terrains and enable you to go wherever inspiration leads. When you get tired, just adjust the backrest backward and lie. Wherever the heart aspires, all will be a smooth journey.
XSTO, ease your way to anywhere.